1. Here's a great opportunity to become the owner of a 1985 Ford F250 regular cab long bed, and the price for this confident truck is just $2,500. This long wheelbase utility vehicle carries a rich history, and now it's ready to continue its journey with you at the helm. With 127,000 miles on the odometer, this F250 is equipped with a 6.9 IDI diesel engine that starts without any issues every time. It's worth noting that the vehicle has had more than 3 owners, and the previous owner passed away. The truck is now in the hands of a new owner and is ready for new adventures. This truck has fresh batteries and recently purchased glow plugs. Although the tires are old and checked for cracks, they still hold air. The vehicle is regularly used for short trips, but it needs some improvements, such as replacing the headlight switch and updating fluids. The body shows no visible rust, although there are a few dents. The bed is in good condition and equipped with a toolbox without signs of corrosion. Features also include a cargo compartment and a factory towing package. Don't miss your chance to acquire a reliable workhorse ready for everyday tasks and new adventures on the road. 2. Introducing an amazing opportunity to become the owner of a 1978 Chevrolet K10 for just $15,500. This beauty not only looks stunning, but is ready for adventures right now. With only 1,000 miles traveled, this Chevrolet K10 is equipped with a reliable 350 engine and a 350 transmission. It features a comprehensive set of upgrades, including a comp cam, thick-walled headers, a new exhaust, and intake. The vehicle is also equipped with a Dakota digital instrument panel, new tires, stylish rally wheels, and an updated interior. It's the perfect combination of style and performance. Owned by only 2 owners, this vehicle is in excellent condition. The interior is free of cracks on the dashboard, with a new audio system, cowl hood, and everything new and functioning as intended. This short bed pickup is rust-free, providing you with an excellent opportunity to own an impressive truck ready to take on challenges on the road. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this impressive and stylish Chevrolet K10, promising you reliability, performance, and exciting driving experiences. 3. You have a unique opportunity to become the owner of the impressive 1970 Chevrolet C10 for $38,000. This car is not just historical. It embodies style and performance in every detail. Now you can take it for a drive, as it has only traveled 1,000 miles. This beauty is equipped with the original short bed C10 body with a 1968 front end. Under the hood, a powerful 396 cubic inch engine roars, and control is handled by an automatic transmission. This truck is ready to take you anywhere, whether it's city streets or open roads. The car has received a stylish upgrade with new 22-inch intro wheels minus 9 inches in the front and a whopping 12.5 inches in the rear. You can also enjoy the vintage coolness of the air conditioner and updated brakes. Wilwood disc brakes at the rear with a master cylinder from the same manufacturer. The interior of this car is clean and well maintained, and its exterior pleases with its straight lines. This C10 is a true original with a short wheelbase, promising its owner not only style and comfort, but also the thrill of driving. Don't miss your chance to own this stunning Chevrolet C10 and feel the power and character of every kilometer in this iconic car. 4. We greatly appreciate your interest in this stunning 1977 Chevrolet C30 Crew Cab Long Bed, offered for $6,600. This truck, with approximately 100,000 miles, is a true embodiment of power and style. This Chevrolet C30 is equipped with a powerful 7.4 liters 454 V8 engine, paired with a new TH400 transmission, ensuring reliable and robust performance. The new serpentine belt drive system and dual Flowmaster exhaust give this truck an impressive look and a wonderful sound. The seller has made several enhancements, including the installation of suburban doors with power windows and captain's chairs, adding comfort and style. A console and an adjustable height steering column have also been added. It's important to note that this truck has absolutely no rust, thanks to its origin from the sunny Southern California desert region. With this Chevrolet C30, you not only get a powerful hauler, but also a clean truck with a clear blue title at hand. Currently located in Barstow, K92311. Don't miss the chance to become the owner of this magnificent truck and enjoy reliability and style at every stage of your journey. 5. It's wonderful to introduce you to this stunning 1969 Dodge Dart, available for $22,500. With only 1,212 miles, this car not only carries a history, but also has the potential to become a true work of art in the world of classic cars. This Dart features a clean, rust-free two-door body from 1969 with an amazing patented style that the seller intended to preserve by applying clear lacquer. It's essential to note that much of the challenging work has already been done. Under the hood of this Dart is a powerful 5.7 Hemi, fully restored and ready for new adventures. The Hellcat supercharger and modern Extreme adapter kit add an extra level of performance. The Silver Sports Transmission's Tremec 5-speed transmission and suspension tuning, such as the Magnum Force tubular K-member with shocks, provide improved handling and braking efficiency with 6-piston Willwood brakes on the front wheels. Despite the current 1,212 miles, the car requires some work to complete the project. In particular, the installation of the Holley Terminator wiring, steering column, clutch cylinder, drive shaft, and brake master cylinder is needed. However, most of the heavy work has already been completed. This Dart is perfect for those seeking a project with a clean title and no significant damage. Don't miss the opportunity to take control of this unique car and finish it, giving it individuality and style. 6. Introducing this stunning 1972 Chevrolet Nova, available for $25,000. This currently for sale car not only impresses with its exterior, but also possesses unique features, making it a true collector's item. This Nova has undergone noticeable changes and improvements made by the seller to give it outstanding characteristics. Under the hood now sits a rebuilt engine with new pistons and rings, specially prepared to increase turbocharger pressure. It's important to note that the entire suspension has been completely replaced, from leaf springs to control arms. The seller prioritized reliability and performance enhancement by adding support for 4-wheel disc brakes, a limited slip differential with a 3:42 gear ratio, traction support, and installing new shocks and bushings. Aesthetically, the car has also undergone significant changes. The body received a new red paint coating complemented by a black interior. New carpeting, leather front seats, POR-15 floor coating, and Killmat sound insulation create comfort and style in the cabin. Despite all of this, the car needs instrument connection. However, all other aspects, such as the revamped engine, updated suspension, new interior, and altered appearance, make this Chevrolet Nova truly unique and desirable. It has already been fully rewired with American Auto wire, featuring a carbon instrument panel and odometer gauges. This Chevrolet Nova is an excellent choice for those seeking a collector's car with enhanced features, aesthetics, and the potential to complete the project with their own ideas. 7. Currently for sale, we have a fantastic offer. A 1971 Ford LTD for $3,000. This car, with 98,000 miles on the odometer, is reliable and starts every time, offering its owner comfort and attractiveness. The Ford LTD is equipped with a powerful 429 4-bull engine and a C6 automatic transmission, providing excellent performance on the road. While the car may not be perfect, it is reliable and ready for daily use. This LTD features a new dual exhaust system that gives it a wonderful sound. Additionally, it is equipped with a new 750 brawler carburetor, performer intake manifold, electronic igniter ignition system, and coil. Key components have been replaced to enhance the efficiency of the car. Although the air conditioner is currently not functioning, all other systems of the car are in working order. The car has a clean title and no significant damages or issues. This Ford LTD is an excellent choice for those looking for an affordable car with a powerful engine and ready for use. 8. Currently for sale, we have an excellent opportunity. A 1966 Ford F100 for only $9,000. This truck, equipped with a manual transmission, green exterior paint, is a reliable and unique vehicle. The 1966 Ford F100 is powered by a 240 cubic inch straight-six engine and a 4-speed T18 transmission, non-granny, providing reliability on the road. The cabin is coated with Monster Envy Green, giving the truck a distinctive style. Mechanically, this F100 is in excellent condition and ready for use. Despite some body imperfections, the car ensures reliability and a unique style. The interior of the car is clean and well maintained, except for a torn seat. In addition to standard equipment, 1976 front disc brakes, kingpin out, 1976 power steering, Saginaw, and a vintage air kit for comfortable driving have been installed. The car is also equipped with an 11-gallon aluminum fuel tank. This Ford F100 is a wonderful opportunity for those who appreciate vintage cars with unique character and are ready to drive a classic. 9. Currently, we have an excellent opportunity to acquire a 1981 Ford F150 Heritage regular cab for just $4,000. This classic truck, equipped with an automatic transmission, featuring blue exterior and interior colors, is a great choice for vintage car enthusiasts. The 1981 Ford F150 Ranger comes with a new 302 V8 engine, as well as new shocks and a brake system. The vehicle runs excellently, offering reliability and impressive performance. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck has been used daily, highlighting its dependability. The only cosmetic issue is the need for professional installation of the driver's side floor panel. However, it has been welded and there are no holes. This truck is perfect for daily use or as an excellent restoration project. It's worth noting that being an old truck, it has a few dents and scratches. Nevertheless, this does not affect its overall reliability and functionality. Don't miss the opportunity to acquire this 1981 Ford F150 Heritage regular cab, which offers an excellent combination of classic style and reliable performance. 10. Right now, you have a unique opportunity to become the owner of a classic 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 for just $4,850. This red car with a manual transmission and a black interior is a true gem for car enthusiasts. The car has only traveled 48,000 miles and has had 2 previous owners. The current owner emphasizes that despite the car being parked since 1996, it only needs cosmetic repairs. It requires new fuel and oil, as well as an insurance update. The car remains in good condition, even considering its prolonged parking. This is an excellent deal, considering the low mileage, absence of defects, and original condition. Among other things, the car is equipped with removable tops that don't leak, and there are no defects on the seats or carpet. Don't miss the chance to become the owner of this fantastic 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, which, despite minor remarks, is a remarkable car with low mileage and great restoration potential.